And there we go. Hi guys, I'm Dern the Hermit. We're continuing on with Ultima 6 running on the Nuvie engine. I just teleported from you back here to Castle Britannia. I'm going to, let's see, first I'm going to drop off a couple of runes here in the corner. I don't need them right now. And let's see. Anything else I have that I want to drop off? Looks like all my guys are good with bolts. Let's drop this over yonder. Eventually I'll be upgrading to magical bows for everybody. I will affect that change when the time is appropriate. Let's see. I guess Sherry doesn't need that helmet anymore. Eventually when I get her a level up, I'll be able to give her some proper weaponry. Let's see. Sigalian's doing all right. Sentry. He's got a few things. Get this gold nugget to Dern. Alright. And it's not uncommon for role-playing games to have a jingling here in the background. It's my dog who's hanging out with me right now. But in role-playing games, it's not uncommon to have a good chunk of inventory management to deal with. I haven't even asked that guy's name yet. I think it's Finn. He's just a weirdo. I don't think there's anything beyond him being goofy and thinking that he's Lord British. Hello, Terry. Yes. There we go. Alright, so I have a lot of money right now. In that locked door back here, there is a couple magically locked chests that have just a ton of gold nuggets in them. And eventually I'll be pilfering that. It takes a bit off your karma, but karma doesn't take into account the amount of things that you that you steal. Only if you steal it. The act of stealing takes away a karma point, or whatever it is. So if you steal 200 things at once, well, you're still only committing a theft. And by the way, here is the Moonstone Circle for the town of Britain. I'm going east here towards Cove. Means I'm going. Oh, you know what? Before I go, I should make sure I get the rune of compassion. You need the runes associated with the moon gates, and then you also need to know the mantra word. I'm sorry. Let me rephrase that. Let me restate that a little more clearly. You need the rune for each shrine, and you also need to know the meditation word for that shrine in order to free the shrine from the gargoyle influence. Yeah, there's this crazy museum here. I've always loved that this is a perpetual motion machine here in the corner. There, look at the sign here. Perpetual motion machine. And it's just a series of gears and tubes attached together. Now that little girl there has the rune of compassion. Ariana. Her daughter, Ariana, has the rune of compassion. I am Dern. That's Ariana. You have the rune. Yes, I do need it for something. I am on an important quest. She's not supposed to let everyone else have it. She doesn't know what to do. She's a kid. They run the Blue Boar Tavern. Is that you? Rune. Oh, that's not her parents. Her parents are in the Blue Boar Tavern. I can remember things. So I'm going to head back over to the main city of Britain proper. Right across on the other side of the mint here. And, which one is the tavern? Up here? No, that's the baker. Blue Boar Tavern. Must be this one. There it is. Yep. Why am I talking to the door? Talk. You look like you're in charge. What's your name? Ariana. Rune. Sweet. She grants me permission. Nice. Now my dog is trying to jump on my lap while I am attempting to record a video. Can't you see I'm trying to be a good, virtuous avatar, you mangy mutt? Damn it. It's like these curs don't even understand. Alright, get the rune of... Yes. Mantra. Mo. Mantra. Mu. M-U. There we go. I have the rune of compassion. I have the mantra of compassion. I'm going to go to the shrine of compassion and brutally slaughter some goddamn gargoyles for invading my goddamn lands. Damn it. Goodbye, guard. You keep patrolling there, buddy. Alright. And there's no particular order you need to unlock the shrines. I'm going to save it. Here we go. The big guy's the really dangerous one. They know magic spells. Oh, crap. Shamano heavily wounded. What are you doing, buddy? Why are you there? Only 15 heal. He's only up to 33. That did like nothing. That did nothing. Alright, 46. Alright, let's have you on retreat, dude. Because I don't know what you are doing, but it is not helpful to the war effort. Oh, he just casts an explosion. Alright. Alright, I see how it is. There. It's gonna be risky. If that guy wants to use magic, why are all my party members just hanging out way in the back doing literally nothing? Literally nothing. Well, at least you get to see what happens when you die. Somebody says Cal Or, and then bam, you're back here in the throne room. But I'm not going to stand for that. That was some nonsense. My AI is not being satisfying. Durn is paralyzed. Why are my guys just all retreating? Alright. This is literally, I mean, what? Look at this. All my characters except for Segalian are doing nothing. I don't want to do this. I'm just going to put them all on assault. See if that changes anything. Except for Sherry. There. Yep. There we go. Now they're doing something. Good. Good. I don't know why setting them... Maybe setting too many party members to rear just just they can't find a spot. Like it gets like the slots get full or something. Oh, that's more like it. Paralyzed, eh? Paralyzed again, huh? There. We're doing pretty good. The two little gargoyles are dead. Let's try to land some hits on this guy. Alright, so Dern is back in action. Paralyzed spell wore off. Attack you with my halberd, buddy. There we go. Well done, people. Well done. I'm proud of y'all. You did well. A billion throwing axes, boomerang, and a club. You get away from my shrine, pal. Nothing useful. This guy had a two-handed sword, a ham, 4 arrows, and a bow. Tell you what, I will have Sentry pick that stuff up. And a halberd. Let's have Jonna deal with that one. There you go, Jonna. An actual weapon for you. Now, did any of this include a... There is a helm. Let's compare this. 4.8 stones absorbs 4 points of damage. Ah. Screw this. I'm giving Jonna some better armor as well. There, Jonna, you got some upgrades. Good. Proud of you. Pick up that ham, Shimino. Alright, let's do it. Use the Rune of Compassion, Mantrix, MU. Wow, special effects! Let's get the Moonstone. And, no. I do not wish to meditate at that altar, because that gives me a level up. And I want my level up at the Shrine of Valor. Although I could use some more dexterity. Shrine of Compassion does increase dexterity by 3. I'll land more hits. I'll get a level up. And then I can at least use level 4 spells. Yes, I'll meditate at this altar. Dern will meditate. MU. Dern has gained a level. And dexterity. Hooray! Dexterity 21. Nice. Alright, next level ups I'll do strength. It's really only Sherry that I want to max out the strength stat. Every level up at the strength shrine, the Shrine of Valor. And there is a magically locked thing. There's a well inside. I don't need to do anything in there. That is a private residence. That is also magically locked. What's in here? Some bread. It's probably stale. Let's come on over here. Now, Sir Geoffrey wanted us to come talk to the people in Cove. Looks like Weird Al Yankovic. I'm Dern. What do you do here? Oh, he governs. Well, the shrine is free, dude. Who are you? What do you do, Sasha? Okay, she's a healer. Rest. Gargoyles. Shrines. Sleep. Too many of them? That guy looks messed up. Yeah, he just says that, just kind of rambling in his sleep. Yeah, he just mumbles. He's useless. I'm Dern. Battle, eh? Well, I just did it, buddy. I just freed it for you. Foul magic. Force field. Oops. Oh well. See what's in here. I could get those potions. I'm not going to. Anyway, here is Rudyum's house. That is a drake he keeps in a cage. And it's dead. Come here, Sherry. 39 gold. Alright. Reagents. What did I buy before? I needed garlic and ginseng. I got 60. Let's get 60. And 3. 60. Spells. 1. I'll get all of them. I never know if create food. I will need create food, but it's a level 1 spell, so you might as well have it. No, I don't want heal. I want to ignite. Yes. There's no set. Mass awaken might be handy. When eventually you get to the point where you're fighting gazers, demons, dragons, other big gargoyles, a lot of things use magic. Even human mages that use magic, and so just having counters is convenient. I will want pickpocket. And I may want seance. He has no level 6 spells, no level 7. Gotta check 8. Oops. I'll buy resurrect. Eventually I'll be in level 8 and I will want to have it. Alright. Bunch of spells to move to my book. If I recall correctly, this is back with all my reagents. Okay. So I'm actually lowest on garlic. Maybe I should buy a bunch of extra ones of those. Yeah, I'll buy a bunch of extra garlic. I never know, maybe a bunch of spells just happen to need garlic in particular. Let's get whatever, let's get another 40. Only costs 1 each. Goodbye. So there we go. I have one of the moonstones rescued from the Shrine of Compassion. Come back and tell Lord British. And that's probably about all I need to do in Cove. I guess I could unlock those magically locked things if I want. But really, I don't really need to. I guess I could have cast help again, but no, whatever. I'm a third of the way there. Oh, the special effects from the 90s are incredible. Alright. Whatever. Alright. eventually freed one of the shrines. I think now let's have some fun. I'm still in a mode of killing things and getting experience points. Everyone is healed up to full. Everyone is pretty well, decently equipped. Except for Sherry, but I'll just leave her set to it for rear assault. Oh, you know what? I'll have Sentry go drop off some of these things up in here. My storage room. I may eventually spill over into Lord British's room, but don't worry about that when the time comes, eh? And, okay. That's good for now. We're going to go into the sewers under Britannia. Do I want to do that now? Eventually a quest brings me down there. Let's see. Well, it depends on what I want to do now. Pardon my thought process here. There are other shrines I can go free if I were so inclined. Oh, it's getting late. Okay. Since it's going to be dark, I might as well... Let's do it. Let's explore in the sewers under Britain. I'm going to give some torches to Sherry here. See how many she can hold. Yeah, she can't equip a boomerang and a torch at the same time. Did I drop off the key? I did. Well, I need the key. It's right here. Oh, you know what? Sentry has the key. Sentry has the key into the sewers. It's the same key you get from Lord British at the beginning of the game for passing the copy protection set check. See, there we go. And that is a giant rat. That is not a giant rat. Alright. And the first level is never really anything interesting. It's when you get down into the deeper levels that you start finding the really cool stuff. And eventually, this does connect up with the island of Buccaneer's Den. Uh-oh, look at that. Well, Segalian, drop your skiff. And that's why I have one of my people carry around a skiff. Here we go. Orcs and headlesses. Good battling, fellows. Oh, there's still a couple more guys here. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's an army of guys here. Looks like the Cyclopses are kind of taking off, so while they're doing that, just keep an eye on my health here. Cyclopses want some. I think the Cyclopses have slings, which are not very dangerous. I think I won. Thank you, Sherry, for bringing back the light. And a bunch of useless stuff. Looks like he has a shield under all that. I don't need a shield. Same thing as that. I do see that guy had gold. But now I gotta move all the spears out of the way to get it. And I think one of those headlesses actually stepped over his buddy. Yep. Remove all these spears. Cloth armor is actually technically a pretty good sale item. It doesn't net you very much money, but it also doesn't weigh very much either. But I'm lazy. Nope. Let's clear the way here, guys. Is there anything valuable? There's nothing valuable under there. Alright, this is just a dead end. Nothing else here. Oh! I've been poisoned. The perils of having a... Perils of having a low dexterity. Look at that. Well done, fellas. And plus it spreads the experience points around. I love being able to attack around corners. Well done, fellas. Now before we go down those stairs, let's have Sigalian go pick up his skiff again. Oh. Don't you dare attack my Sherry. She's my mouse. Nice. Bunch of small, wimpy little enemies there, but it's still experience points. It all adds up. Long, labyrinthine tunnels. Wow! Oh boy. I think I'll be fine. If I cast a spell or something. Do I have anything worth casting? Nah, not really. Let's just do it. Good little battle here. Gotta remember that one headless directly in front of me. That's actually two of them. Better check my health too. Alright, I've taken some hits, but still doing pretty good. And it's not like, it doesn't really seem like they're having much focus on any other of my party members. And their accuracy, it seems to be absolutely abysmal. Which is just fine by me. And there we are. Alright. I'm going to park my guys right over here for a second. Do some solo mode action. And search these bodies. Nothing of value. There's some gold in there. Some gold in there. Again, same thing with the spears. They're technically good loot, but I just don't want to carry it around. Let's do it. Explosion. And meat. Alright. Let's see what that guy had. Is that some valuable stuff underneath? Underneath these million throwing axes? There's a sword. I'll grab that because I know I can sell that right in Britain. What's the bow? Move those things aside. Move a million throwing axes. Move a million spears. And I got gassed. Let's repair that. Dispel magic. Oh, I wonder, what just went down from 75 to 74? Ah, looks like it's Mandrake Root and whatever that one was. Okay. Good to know. I'll remember that for the future. Alright, and I'm starting to get a little loaded down with these few loot items. Swords and bows are pretty lightweight, so they make for good loot. Oops. Wow. I just pressed a button and it just shows you all the key prompts. H, I guess it is. Okay. Yeah, Shamano, carry this stuff for me. There. Just piles of crap. Don't need it. Don't want it. Useless to me. Let's do another save. Why not? I suppose I can go look up a map online. You wouldn't have a map of this area in the base game, but I always remember just having a ton of fun wandering around and exploring, seeing what there is to see. Although you always run across this random funky aspect of the engine, or somewhere off in the distance, a giant squid is being lightly wounded. Oh boy, more rats. Oh, still more combat going on over here. Oh boy. Oops, I missed. Alright. There's a good little swarm of critters to take out. Oh boy. I don't know if the mice can poison you, but I do know the giant rats definitely can't. So I want nothing to do with that noise. I don't know why I broke off combat right there. Alright, nothing down here. Is someone poisoned? Someone is poisoned. Shamano, you bastard. I'm coming to save you, buddy. Don't you worry. I'll get that poison out of your veins. There we go. Fit as a fiddle, good as new. My health is a little on the low side. Sentry's taking some hits. But otherwise, we're looking pretty good. Continue on. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm just looking at XP, man. XP. Nice. And here we go, ladder down. Let's go even deeper. Oh boy. Nice. Well done, my minions. Well done, my gang of murderers. Well, I guess if they're giant rats, it doesn't really count as murder. Alright, bats. Sherry got hit. Alright. Slow down, bat. There. And here, deep underground, there is an underground lake. Oh, soak up that XP, my boys. Soak it up. Oh, yes, we are going to be so powerful. Party of level 8ers with crazy strength and crazy dexterity, just mowing down everything that we see. Yes, yes, grow in power, yes. Alright, I gotta spice up the wanton slaying of giant rats somehow. Nice. Let's do a save down here. I'm kind of curious. Let's see what experience points are looking like right now. Oh boy. Oh man. Okay, my guys are... oh, Sherry's doing terribly, but she doesn't have a weapon. Alright, so I'm pretty sure at least a few of my guys can get at least to level 4. And I'm pretty sure I might be even be able to get to level 5. Alright. Down here is a woman named Phoenix. And eventually I want to do a Thieves Guild quest that requires me to find her. I'm not going to mess with it now, because that's just unnecessary. This is a gazer. Alright, this is dangerous, people, so I'm going to use my Storm Cloak. Because he can't cast spells now. You, buddy. And when he dies, he turns into a bug. Oh, John, are you taking some hits, girl? You're taking some hits. Here we go. Nice. I wonder how much experience that got me. Not bad. Alright, people, pull back. Gremlins! Ah! These guys suck. They just steal stuff from you. And they're fast. Nice. I'm going to take off the Storm Cloak, because eventually it does wear off. So you really only want it equipped for direst of emergencies. That, plus, I just don't have the protection of my magic armor when I have it on. Some gold under there, I can see it. Mine. Mine. I grow richer. There's gold under there. Wealth. Wealth beyond compare. A torch. A torch beyond compare. Oh boy. Nice. Killed a sea serpent. Why a sea serpent is underground in an underground lake, I'll never understand. Apparently alligators are nearby getting killed. I don't know anything about that. Alligators are actually tough customers in this game. If you find them, they're not too terribly uncommon. Generally, they come at you alone or in small groups. Alright, what else is down here? I know eventually these tunnels do connect up with Buccaneer's Den. I might have mentioned that earlier. I think this is... Oh boy, slime. This could be fun. It's a self-replicating enemy, and it can quickly grow out of control. Look at that go. Oh my gosh. And it can poison you if it hits you. Nice. I guess this might be a reason to cast a fireball spell or something right now. There we go. Getting a handle on it. I am now poisoned. You bastard. You bastard. How dare you do that to me? Don't you know I'm the Avatar? I'm here to murder everything and take their stuff. Better keep an eye on health levels here. Things are still alright. It's really only me to be worried about. Slime is such a tricky enemy to fight. I can only assume this is just racking up the experience points, however. There we go. Oh boy. Cast magic on myself. Hooray! I'm healthy. Nice. And again, let's scan their experience points here. A couple of them have gone up. Oh, Sentry is also poisoned. Which one is Sentry? There. Doo-doo-doo. Beautiful. I love it. Alright. Let's continue onwards, people. Nothing. Nothing. Just a dead end of slime. Dead end of slime and pain in the butt. Oh, well, I guess I deserve that. Come down here looking for loot and treasure. I deserve to find death and suffering instead. I'm a greedy, greedy treasure hunter. No, what am I saying? I'm the Avatar. I am the embodiment of good and virtue and... Oh, what is this? Piles of bones. A whole bunch of trolls. Let's do it. Sherry, did you just kill a troll with your bare hands? I think oh, Sherry is in trouble. Sherry is in big trouble. Sherry is in very big trouble. Alright, I'll let you guys handle that. Let's do that instead. I'll let all my other guys handle those guys on that side. Sherry, why are you going right up next to... Oh, there she goes. Yeah, she should basically stay in between all of us. I believe that does it. Nope. There we go. Much better. Guys, get behind me. Let's see what we got here. Nothing. Bunch of junk. Bunch of crap. There might be some gold in there, but let's be honest, I have a lot of gold. Some gold. Looks like another chest down there. Another sword, another bow, more arrows. Stupid spears. More gold. Oh, there's a bad guy down there. Nothing. Okay. I'll have yellow carry some of these things. Oh boy, even more. More spears, throwing axes. Hello, what do we have here? A human body. Nothing. Nothing down here. Well, other than a ton of experience points. Again, let's see how we're doing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Even Sherry got few experience points. Good girl, Sherry. Proud of you. Alright. Alright, looks like we got that pretty much cleared out. I don't know if there's much else down here. I guess I can wander around a bit more. Maybe try to find here we go. What have we here? Ah, there's a skiff. Nope. Nope. Sea serpent wants to attack me. I'll just let all my archers take him out. Good job, guys. Sea serpent heavily wounded. Sea serpent critical. Do it. Nice. Somebody just got a few XP. Another one. Another one. Oceanic fighting is so lame. You can get one of those big ships in the game instead of getting the deed for a skiff. Let's see, does anyone else have room in their inventory? Dupre has some room, but only because he's almost out of bolts. Whatever. Dupre, pick up this skiff. There we go. I have 2 skiffs in my party. Let's go down one more level. Another sea serpent. Why not? I wonder. I should definitely cast a heal on myself. My health is getting low. I wonder how well that great heal spell works. Let's get everyone else in here. Alright. Great heal. Or does it just heal all the way? Yeah, I think that's how it goes. It heals one character all the way up. Sentry's pretty low. I'll do a great heal on him as well. I think that's Sentry. Good guess. Alright. Well, Sherry's low, but she's always low. John is pretty low. I can bump her up a bit. Yeah, whatever. We're good. Actually, I'm actually a little over the amount of time that I wanted to do. So I'm going to end this episode here, down here in the very bowels of the sewers of Britain. We've been having a lot of fun, killing a lot of things, but I'm going to call it quits now. I'll make a save. I am Durin the Hermit. Thank you so much for watching with me. I hope to see you in the next episode as we continue through Ultima VI, running on the Nuvie engine. You have a great one.